Did you know the oil you're cooking with could be silently damaging your gut and fueling inflammation in your body? Most people have no idea. But today, we're diving deep into the oils you need to avoid and the powerful healing oils you should be using instead. Stay with me because the best ones might surprise you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which oils to use for better health. Some of these oils are used in nearly every restaurant and even marketed as heart healthy. But they can cause inflammation, hormone imbalance, and even gut damage. These oils are often highly processed and contain unhealthy fats that can lead to chronic health issues. Let's break down which oils are harming your health and the ones that actually support healing, digestion, and energy. Stay tuned to learn more about making healthier choices in your kitchen. These oils are often ultra-processed, going through extensive industrial procedures. They are extracted using chemical solvents like hexane, a harsh chemical that can leave residues. After extraction, they are deodorized to mask any rancidity, making them seem fresher than they are. Yikes! And here's the real problem. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which are not balanced with omega-3s. When consumed in excess, they create inflammation, contribute to leaky gut, and other health issues. They also mess with your metabolism, leading to weight gain and metabolic disorders. These oils are everywhere, from salad dressings that seem healthy to chips and frozen dinners, making it hard to avoid them in our daily diet. When your gut is inflamed, it doesn't just cause bloating or discomfort. It affects your immune system, your skin, and your energy levels. The gut is often referred to as the body's second brain, and for good reason. Most chronic diseases begin with inflammation that builds up silently in the body over time. Your immune system is constantly triggered by poor diet, stress, or harmful oils. This chronic inflammation can lead to serious conditions like diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. 70% of your immune system is in your gut. Gut inflammation is linked to anxiety and brain fog. Bad oils oxidize easily, leading to more free radicals and faster aging. They slap heart healthy on a bottle of canola oil, but when you dig into the research, it's like wrapping a donut in kale and calling it a salad. The marketing tactics used by oil companies are designed to confuse consumers. They use buzzwords and misleading labels to make their products seem healthier than they really are. For example, terms like light, pure, and natural are often used without any real regulation. This makes it difficult for the average person to make informed choices. It's crucial to look beyond the front label and read the ingredients and nutritional information. Only then can you truly understand what you're consuming. Don't be fooled by the marketing lies. Educate yourself and make better choices for your health. Now let's talk about the oils that support your gut, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. These oils are not just for cooking. They have incredible health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in polyphenols, supports good gut bacteria and heart health. Sesame seed oil, antibacterial and gut soothing, supports liver detox and hormone balance. Avocado oil, high smoke point, packed with nutrients and healthy fats. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, good for energy and metabolism. When I switched to these healing oils, my energy improved, my digestion calmed down, and even my skin became more radiant. And you can feel that difference too. These oils have been a game changer for me. I used to feel sluggish and tired all the time, but now I wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. My digestion used to be a constant source of discomfort, but since incorporating these oils into my diet, I've noticed a significant improvement. No more bloating or indigestion. And the best part? My skin has never looked better. It's clearer, more hydrated, and has a natural glow that I never thought possible. If you're struggling with low energy, digestive issues, or skin problems, I highly recommend giving these healing oils a try. They made a world of difference for me, and they can for you too. When choosing good oils, there are a few key factors to consider. First, always opt for oils that come in glass bottles. Glass is non-reactive and helps preserve the quality of the oil. Next, look for oils that are non-refined. These oils retain more of their natural nutrients and health benefits. Dark bottles are also important as they protect the oil from light, which can cause it to oxidize and go rancid. Finally, some oils, like sesame oil, need to be stored in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness and prevent spoilage. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that you're using the best oils for your health and well-being. Please help me grow my channel by giving this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to clean out their kitchen oils as soon as possible. Subscribe for more gut-healing, age-defying, natural ways to live healthier, and let me know in the comments. What oils are you using right now? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Super! Like, subscribe, comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.